champions, today we are solving a question from the Junior International Logic Olympiad JILO, where the questions don't just test your brain, they interrogate it like the CID officers. And this examination is famous for the logical puzzles, pattern recognition, and the problems where numbers dress up as the letters like today. Okay, so if you can solve this, trust me, you are already thinking like a mathematician, not just a student. So come to the question first. Question says each letter represents a unique digit 0 through 9. Determine the value of the letter W. ONE plus ONE is TWO, and where 1 and 2 are 3-digit numbers. Okay, so we will solve this. Just give me a second, guys. Let me choose the pen first. Okay. So each letter is a unique digit 0 to 9. And we have 1 plus 1, that is 2. And both 1 and 2 are 3-digit numbers. And our target is to find the W. So students, what's happening here basically? We are adding the same number twice. So basically, we can say 1 plus 1, that is 2, means 2 cross 1, that is 2, right? Now, whenever you see same number added twice, think the multiplication shortcut, okay? So, let's break it now. First, the units column. So, E plus E is O with possible carry. So, 2E is O plus carry. If I talk about the tens column, then N plus carry, that is W. So, 2N plus carry, that is W, plus maybe another carry. Now, hundreds. And then O plus carry, that is T. So 2O plus carry, that is T. Okay. Now let's look at this question. The equation is what? 2 cross 1, that is 2. Right. Now expand. 2 into 1000, 100 into O, plus 10N plus E, that will be equal to 100T plus 10W plus O. Now after simplifying, we get 199O plus 20N plus 2E, that is equal to 100T plus 10W, right? Now left side depends on O and right side, that is the multiple of 10. So left side must also be even. So 199 O is odd into O. Right? So O must be even. Now possible values of O. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now let's test O is 2. That is the smallest one. So units will be 2E, that is 2 or 12. So E equal to 1 if no carry, and E equal to 6 if carry. Okay, and try E equal to 1. That is the simple case. Now digit we used, O is 2, E is 1. Now tens. So 2N is what? W. Try N equal to 3. So W is 6. Now digits are O2, N3, E1 and W6. 6, all different. Okay, so hundreds will be 2O is equal to T, that is 2 cross 2 is equal to 4. So T is equal to 4. So 1 will be what? 2, 3, 1. And 2 will be what? 4, 6, 2. So 2, 3, 1 plus 2, 3, 1, that is 4, 6, 2. Right? So the final answer will be W equal to 6. Okay, so same number addition, think about the multiplication. Okay, and always solve the digit puzzles column wise and use the parity like odd or even logic to eliminate the option. Okay, and start with the smallest possible values. That saves our time. So if you solve this in under 2 minutes, congratulations. And if it took 10 minutes, also congratulations. If you are still confused, don't worry, even calculators need batteries. Okay, so if you want to master the this Olympiad level tricks, not just solve the but dominate them, we are running a special small batch classes where I personally guide 8 students step by step. And yes, if you were serious but facing some financial issues, and we have got free learning options too, because talent should never depend on money, right? And we think that too. So come and join us. So we will meet at the next session with a new question of the Junior International Logic Olympiad. Till then, keep learning and keep growing with us. Bye bye.